autism. This hamster has a knife.
Hey bro, it's been a year. Are you still sanding this plane or what? By now we should have it ready for the first flight. What's going on?
Today is a really exciting day because we have the LED 410, which is almost complete. The paint is missing, but so far everything is working, and we are here at the airfield to make the first flight. The batteries are already loaded and we are only waiting for the wind to come down a little bit, and then we will go for it.
Befestigungen sind befeuert von dem Hersteller. Außen. Ja, da auf jeden Fall. Außen wird wieder gleich Rückgrat noch da hinten wieder stehen. Ja, du bist auf der Festigung. Ja. Alles gut. Ja, müsst ihr mehr haben, oder? Nein, ein bisschen mehr, gell? Ja, nach unten. Ja, hier runter. Die Nase geht beim Starten, aber macht trotzdem weiter.
Die Lifte hören sich geil an.
Hast du eine Ampereanzeige in deinem Sender? Ja. Sind nur 20 Ampere.
What a very successful first flight. We are very happy, and it turned out that the batteries still had 70% left. So the first flight was around 5 minutes, and I wasn't too sure about how long the capacity would last, but it turns out I don't need much battery at all. I feel like I can fly way over 10 minutes. which is a great success. And the only thing that did not work as planned, you might have seen that, is that the nose landing gear suspension is a bit too weak. So that means the airplane, fully loaded with all batteries, during takeoff goes down like this. And I have to fix that problem. But that's everything that did not went as planned, so I'm very happy. The next step is to paint the whole fuselage, and I have an exact idea of what livery I will choose, and you can all be excited to see that. So thank you very much for watching, and see you next time.